Welcome to this brief tutorial on controlling the visibility of your WordPress website. In this guide, you will learn how to publish or unpublish your site using WordPress settings. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, focus on the upper right hand corner where you will see a login button. Clicking this button will take you to the login area. After clicking the login button, you should see an option that allows you to continue using your Google account. Look for the button labeled Continue with Google and click it. This method simplifies the login process by using your existing Google account credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, a prompt will appear asking you to select the account you wish to use. Choose the appropriate account so that you can proceed to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, it is time to locate the settings menu. From your dashboard, navigate to the settings area dedicated to managing your website. This section is essential as it is where you will adjust how your website is seen by visitors. After entering settings, look for a subsector or tab labeled Reading. The reading settings provide you with several controls that determine how your website behaves in terms of public visibility and search engine indexing. Within the reading settings, you will find the site visibility options. This section is key to managing whether your website is openly accessible or temporarily hidden from the public. Here you will face a choice that influences the online status of your website. If your intention is to unpublish the website or keep it hidden while you work on updates, the options you have include choosing either the coming soon or private modes. Selecting either of these options causes your website to display a placeholder or to be accessible only to authorized users, ensuring that visitors do not see your content until you are ready for the public launch. On the other hand, if you decide that your website should be visible to everyone, you simply need to select the public option. This setting ensures that your website is fully accessible to any user who visits your site. After making a choice about the visibility status of your website, it is very important to save your changes. To do this, scroll down on the settings page until you locate the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save Changes applies the setting you have chosen, either unpublishing or publishing your website immediately. Keep in mind that making deliberate choices about site visibility is essential for managing your online presence effectively. Whether you are working on updates behind the scenes or proudly showcasing your final product, these steps provide you with full control over what your visitors experience. By following this straightforward process, you can confidently adjust your website's status at any time directly from your WordPress settings. Enjoy managing your site, and thank you for following along with this clear and concise guide on WordPress site visibility.